Your Upwork profile is your virtual resume and cover letter rolled into one. It's the first thing that potential clients see when they search for freelancers on the platform, so it's important to make a good first impression. Here are some tips on creating an Upwork profile for developers. Use a professional headshot. Your profile picture is the first thing that clients see, so make sure it's a clear, professional headshot that shows your face. This will help clients put a face to your name and remember you more easily. Write a clear and concise headline. Your headline is the second thing that clients see, so it's important to make it attention-grabbing and relevant to the work that you want to do. Keep it short and to the point, and mention the specific skills or services that you offer. Create a detailed overview. Your overview should be a few paragraphs that give clients a sense of who you are, what you do, and why you are the best person for the job. Be sure to include any relevant experience, certifications, or education, and mention any specific skills or industries that you have experience working in. Showcase your work. Include a portfolio of your best work in your profile to give clients an idea of what you can do. If you don't have a portfolio yet, you can include screenshots of your personal projects, case studies, or testimonials from previous clients. List your skills. Clients use Upwork's search function to find freelancers with specific skills, so make sure to list all of the relevant skills that you have in your profile. Be sure to include keywords that clients might search for, such as front-end developer or web developer. Include information on your availability. Let clients know your availability and time zone so that they can have an idea on when they can reach out to you. Request for client feedback. Encourage your clients to leave feedback after working with you. This will give potential clients an idea of what it's like to work with you, which can be a big factor in their decision to hire you. Remember to keep your Upwork profile updated as your skills, experience, and portfolio grow. This will ensure that it stays fresh and relevant, and it gives clients an accurate picture of what you can do. And with all these tips and best practices, you should be able to craft an effective Upwork profile that will help you land your next gig. You can learn more about this topic in my Tech Career newsletter. This newsletter will give you insight into multiple stages of your career so that you can form your career plan, overcome learning blockers, and stay competitive in today's crowded job market. You'll get featured content from authors and influencers in my network to help you navigate your career and learn new skills. Visit HoffsTech.com/newsletter to subscribe and set yourself up for career success. What questions do you have about Upwork? Let me know in the comments, and please be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.